Say hi.
Hi, we're gonna take a video for the birdies.
We're gonna take a walk down Yuen Bird Street, where everybody sells birds.
Daddy, birdies.
Ooh, birdies! Look at they're everywhere, even in the trees.
Yeah.
Look at up in the trees. There's birds.
Oh, bugs. We don't want to show
Oh.
bugs.
And bird food. Oh.
Oh, yum yum.
Ooh, yeah. All right, let's keep going. Oh, more bird food. You know what these are?
No.
I think these are crickets. Yeah.
Those are a lot of crickets.
Pretend like you're eating one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 29, 89!
You counted 89 crickets? That's a lot of crickets. Let's keep going.
Yeah, but that's not all of them. There's even more.
Oh, sorry.
Even more crickets than 89.
Yeah. What else do you want to show me? Where's that big parrot?
Found him.
You found him? Show me where he is.
Right here.
Oh. Say hi, Mr. Parrot.
Hello, Mr. Parrot.
Hello, Mr. Parrot. There's another one, hey?
I like to do it when he's not looking. I'm shy.
Look at this pretty guy.
He's dark red.
Yeah, where's, oh, there's his head.
His head backwards.
Yeah. They sell lots of birds here. They sell lots of bird stuff. Yeah. Oops, sorry. Yeah. Look out, somebody's behind us.
Daddy, that one was looking at me.
That one was looking at you?
His nose was sticking out of the crack.
His what?
His nose was sticking out of the crack.
Oh, maybe he's trying to get away. What do you see? Whoa.
More bird food.
More bird food. But these ones can get away.
They can.
Yeah, look, I can put my hand in. Ooh, gross.
You touched it?
Put your hand in. Don't touch them though.
Yeah. Did you touch it?
No.
Good.
Ah!
Oh.
Say bye-bye, Bird Street.
Bye-bye, Bird Street. We'll see you tomorrow.